What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Texas Boys TV YouTube channel. For this video, I've got my S5T, and I ended up replacing one of the back caps. I found a spare back cap on eBay and replaced the cap on the 25 bell to see if that could solve some of the intermittent dead bell issues. It seemed to make an improvement, so I sent the original back cap off to be remachined. I think when that one gets back, I'm going to put it on the 31 bell and see if that doesn't fix all the problems with this horn. I've got some static tests and then 3 run-bys for y'all in this video. I've also got some exciting news. I have recently acquired a new old stock, new cast P5A that dates around the early 90s. I've also acquired an old cast number 4 bell, so I'll have some P3 and P5 content like P3, P3A, P5, P5A. Lots of stuff. That'll be coming to the channel very soon, as well as some K5LA and K5H content, as I sent all of my number 5 bells off to the machine shop to be repaired. Also sent off the 1L from the K5LLA. I had to shim it up to get it to quit sounding like Chewbacca. I really hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one.